All right, I'm right here at the Doug Rucker school, and I'm here to learn a little bit about roof washing. This is my truck. I don't have any room for any kind of a system, as you can see. I carry this big camper here, but guess what? Doug was able to figure it out for me. And I have a stealth ninja system using the Kingslinger, and I'm really happy. Now, this is a unique situation for what I'll be using this for, and probably not something that everybody will be using, but this system is going to be for me. I own a roofing company, and a lot of times when we go inspect roofs, they don't need a new roof, but they do need their roof cleaned. So this allows me the flexibility of having this in this truck of our salespeople. Doesn't take up a lot of room. It's super compact. It slides right underneath, so I can secure it at night. I don't have to park it inside. Doug even actually installed a vent hose here on me, so I can pull this out, vent the chemical, because we're going to be batch mixing right here. So I'm going to vent it out. Even with it shut, I'm going to be able to vent, which is going to save wear and tear on the back of my truck, which I really appreciate him having that expertise and advising me like that. That's really been the biggest thing that I've found coming here and actually sitting with Doug and spending a couple hours. I've learned so much, but his advice has been instrumental in being able to put together a system that's going to work for exactly what I need. Now, the beauty of this is everything's attached to a quick connect, and we're going to be able, within about 1 minute, take this unit out of the back of my truck as the roofing company owner, putting it in a trailer where it will then work with a proportioner, and we're going to be able to blend when we go out for an entire day, 2 or 3 days, and do everything that we've kind of booked, and we go out to do all the jobs. We can move this into my other unit, or I can have it modular in a small ninja setup right here and be able to just, you know, ma'am, you don't need a new roof. While I'm here, would you like for me to clean it for you? Because that's really what you need. So I bought some of the surfactant that Doug sells, which is fantastic. I got me a gutter cleaner out. I was just able to really find everything I need here. So it was really well worth the trip. I'm pretty excited about it. Looking forward to get into this. And Doug's been really helpful in advising me. So what I'm going to do now is turn the camera back on Doug and let him tell me how to use my system, and you guys can maybe learn a little bit about the Kingslinger system, which, I'll be honest with you, all the research I did, I looked at 12 volt, I looked at gas powered, I looked at the air systems. This to me seemed like the best of both worlds, and I talked to a lot of people in this industry, a lot of people that I had them look at this and compare it to others, and while it might cost me a little bit more than a 12 volt system to get right now, it's going to cost me way less than a 12 volt system to use and operate over the life of the system. And that's really why I spent 20% more now to get a system that's going to save me 50 or 60% more over the next 2 or 3 years. So having said all that, I'm going to grab the camera now and turn it on Doug and let him show me exactly what I bought.
Hey, okay, and Mark, you came in from
Alabama.
Foley, Alabama. You drove in this morning, called me Saturday. We did the deal by phone. Just happened to have one in stock, and so I think we've got 2 that are shipping out today, and then you came and picked this one up. So
it couldn't happen any faster.
Yeah, it couldn't happen any faster because you got jobs lined up.
That's right.
To get to, and that's awesome. So yeah, we did a little temporary thing for him so that he could work out of this truck for now and eventually get it onto his trailer. So I've got it set to where his hoses, he can, with the cam locks, he can disconnect, he can move everything piece by piece so he's not having to trail a 200-foot hose behind him or whatever. We've got his tank to where when he fills it up with bleach, he'll eventually take this hose and put it down to the truck so that the fumes and the gases are venting, and that'll save wear and tear and keep the gases from deteriorating the back of the truck. So great little system, the Kingslinger. Mark, I'm so glad that you were able to come in, and I consider it an honor that you chose us. All the way from Foley, Alabama. I can't. Home of Lambert's, where they throw.
That's right. Come on down. We'll throw rolls at you.
So,
we sling bread.
If we can help you in any way, just let me or Gerald know. DougRuckerStore.com. Don't forget the Difference Maker School's coming up February 8th and 9th. It's only $359. And we're going to go over a lot of pressure washing, soft washing, sales, marketing, pretty much anything you need to get your business started. So y'all have a blessed day, and thank you so much.
All righty. Time to button this sucker up. And lock. That's it. Theft proof. See you guys.